Have you ever spent hours decluttering your space only to find that something still isn't quite right? If everything has a place, it's okay to keep it, right? The truth is, organization is not the solution to clutter. Organization can actually be a trap. It feels productive. You're putting things into pretty little boxes and baskets and arranging them nicely on the shelves. All your containers are beautifully labeled, creating the illusion of order. But organization can be the enemy of decluttering because organized clutter is still clutter. Simply rearranging or storing things nicely is not the answer. If you don't need or use what's inside, you're still holding on to unnecessary stuff. So while organizing makes your space look tidier, it doesn't address the volume of items that you're storing. Organizing without decluttering is temporary. Clutter is bound to resurface if you don't reduce the number of items that you possess. Investing in storage solutions for items you don't need is a waste of time, money, and energy. Storage bins and labels are great, but don't use them as an excuse to keep more than you need. If you're just cramming things into storage and making sure that everything fits, chances are some of it is clutter. Let's be honest, the more we organize, the more we think we can keep because it looks so neat. And the cycle repeats itself, and before you know it, your perfectly organized space begins to overflow. And then you need more storage solutions. Organized spaces should have room to spare. They should be able to breathe. That's why decluttering is the real solution. Organizing manages the problem, but decluttering eliminates it. When you declutter, you get rid of the excess, so it's a more permanent solution. Decluttering forces you to face your belongings and ask those hard questions. Do I need this? Do I use it? Do I love it? Decluttering is about reducing the amount of stuff you have and keeping only those that are meaningful. Decluttering simplifies your life. You don't spend time organizing things that don't matter. It's about creating a more functional, more peaceful, and less overwhelming space. The less you have to organize, and that frees up physical and mental space. Break free from the organizing trap. Before you worry about where things will go, get rid of the things you no longer need. Only keep things that serve a purpose or bring joy to your life. The fewer things you have, the less organizing you need to do. Avoid the temptation to buy new storage containers before decluttering. Once you've cleared the clutter, you'll probably find you need fewer solutions than you thought. Be creative and think about repurposing some of your existing storage solutions. You can cut costs and save the environment. How do you know when you need to declutter? Your storage bins, shelves, and drawers are all full and you're running out of space, and you're considering getting new storage solutions. But that would just hide the clutter more. If you tidy and clean regularly, but you still feel stressed and overwhelmed by your environment, you may be organizing instead of tackling the root issue. When tidying doesn't bring a sense of relief, it's a clue that you need to let things go rather than organize them. If your space never feels organized, the problem might be the amount of stuff and not your organization systems. Do you find that you often lose things even though you have organization systems in place? That might be a sign that you have too much stuff to efficiently manage. When you declutter, you have fewer items, more clarity, and you spend less time searching for stuff. Eliminating the excess makes it so much easier to find the things that we need. If you find yourself storing things in hard-to-reach places or other rooms, it may be a sign that those are things that you're not really using. Once you've reduced your items through decluttering, you can go ahead and organize them to create a functional, stress-free space. But don't rush to purchase organization systems just yet. Live in the space for a while to get a feel for the systems that you need to put in place. Sometimes I've been too quick to purchase bins and baskets only to have them become clutter. Plan, measure, and count your items so you know what you need, and also put some maintenance systems in place. A popular one is the 1 in, 1 out rule or 1 in, 2 out rule. That way you don't have clutter building up again. I've been an organizer all my life, but making this shift has been game-changing. Do you find yourself organizing your clutter too? The next time you feel the urge to organize, remember, clear the clutter first and organize what's left. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.